Look no.
Yeah. How we doing? How we doing? Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. All right, cool. So, good morning. My name is Sean Hennessy. This is the real Sean Hennessy. Um, Clock. We live. I'm gonna be trading MNQ micro Nas futures. Um, and yeah, this is just me. I'm trying to get on YouTube. I am building out my streaming service. I'm using eCams in my MacBook. You can see my system behind me. I got a PC. I usually trade on that. But I want to live stream on eCams, so this is what we're doing. Um, so yeah, without a further ado, let's get right into the charts. All right, so I'm looking at. Sorry, I'm trying to get comfortable. I'm looking at MNQ here, MNQH contract. Let's get a top down. We got the daily right here. I'm looking at this little void, this little inversion fair value gap right here. They seem to be respecting the top of it. Um, I'm still trying to create a framework for today's trade, if there is a trade today. We do have this gap in here. We have this gap here. We have this volume imbalance here. Here goes the 1 hour. So I bring that up to say, that there's targets to the downside. There is draw on liquidity to the downside based on the daily. That being, first draw to the downside would be 22 236 and a quarter. Um, and that's just so we could fill in this little volume imbalance right here. Uh, and then we got the 1 hour right here. We got midnight price of, what is this, Friday, Monday, even though it was a holiday. So we broke midnight price, new liquidity, buy stops were ran. We came back down. We respected midnight price here today. And now we are nearing the high of London Open. So let's go back to a 15.5 in 1 minute. You got your 15 minute over here. So I'm looking at. So this blue shaded area is London from 3 a.m. to 6:30. That's what I have as London. Um, so yeah, we just broke the initial buy stops. We took those right there. Again, this is the 15 minute. And then we have the high right here. So I'm just waiting. Like I said, there's targets to the downside. The only target to the upside as far as like buys today is this monthly high. It's possible. I'm not sure. I'm just saying it's there. If we start to see that price delivery is seeking buy stops, then we know where the draw is as far as that. Let's get an overview of the market. So we got the dollar index here. Dollar index is rallying above new highs. Oh, my apologies. Belay my last. It just broke above London high, so that's cool. We got Nas here on the 15. We got S&P and we got Dow. So S&P broke the high right there. So I'd like to see what they do with that. We have Dow failure to break the high. So if I start to see Dow coming down and breaking the low, that'd be a little indication for me that price is bearish. So that's what I'm looking at. So yeah, we just, you know what I mean? We sitting back, we waiting. It ain't much to do. Um, this is where I'm at. So yeah, let me get my chat open so I can see the chat. See what's going on. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Trying to see what am I saying. All right, so we got the chat. We got the chat. So my phone is a camera, which I love about eCams. I know this isn't an eCam stream, but the reason why I'm ditching my PC setup for my MacBook, number of reasons. MacBook's portable. I can use my phone as a camera because it'll automatically connect to my MacBook, which to me is amazing. Ecams makes it super easy to just drop in and create scenes so you can have a professional looking production. Whereas, in my opinion, for the novice, OBS and Streamlabs OBS is more so for recording. Even though you may be streaming simultaneously, I have noticed that the quality and level of production on OBS for new and novice streamers, it's set up for like recording. Yes, I know that you're streaming live. I understand that, but as far as production wise, it looks more of a recording than an actual live stream production. Whereas eCams, for instance, like I can go like this. We back at my talking. I can go like that. We're back here, and then I can easily drop in these overlays and have like my logo and whatnot. Oh, I can't move it now because I'm on stream and it's locked. But yeah, like my logo that you see over here. Yeah, easy. With eCams, with OBS, it was sort of a headache, to be honest with you. But yeah, so I'm glad we're here. I'm waiting to see what 9:30 is gonna do. I like to trade 9:30, and I'm only gonna be here for. I'll probably start streaming from like 9 to 10, so just an hour. And if I do find a setup and I do enter a trade, it'll most likely be if I can't finish, if the trade duration is longer than an hour, I'll probably either manage it on my phone on the go because I do have to get to work, or two, just close out in profit if possible. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I look forward to doing these streams now that I have removed most of the friction. I like to do these streams, twice a week, 3 times a week. But I don't want to give any kind of schedule to where I have to, be put in a box and be told, oh, this is the time. And no, I'm not doing none of that. So yeah, we here chilling, dog. We waiting. I could have gone live to Instagram too, but I don't want to do that. I might go live to Facebook. So I'm looking at 22,320 right now. We got buy stops. And 1 minute. Let's check the news today and see if there is any news. Economic news? I don't believe so, but it doesn't hurt to check. let's check Forex Factor. Where is the filter? Here we go. I'm definitely gonna in the future attach my iPad or something because I feel like the news would be good. Oh, I got a viewer. What's up? Good morning. How are you? Thank you for joining. Um, drop a comment in the comment box if you like. Um, if you want to like the video, go ahead. Either way, it's up to you. But as far as today, we got some tentative news at tonight. So there's no news today as far as like anything. We had some Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30, and as we can see, it was medium impact news. Didn't really cause too much ripple in the market today. But yeah, we're chill on. We're chill on. So what's up? What's up? Tell me where you're tuning in from. Tell me what you trade. If you trade, if you don't know how to trade, let me know. I'd like to be interactive as much as I can be. I don't want to be distracted during trading, but I do like to interact with the chat and everybody that's taking time out to tune in today. So please drop a comment in the chat. Let me know where you're at. So yeah, I'm looking for right now, like I was saying, for London High to get ran, buy stops, and we'll see what's going on after that. And here's a higher time frame. So there's that 1 hour again. Here's the daily. This would be the only target if we see that price action starts spooling higher after running these buy stops. We'll see. It possibly could tank and come down, take down, and target midnight price at 22,268 and a half. We don't know yet. Hmm. I wonder if I'll be able to find it. That's crazy. I can't even find my own video on my YouTube. What the? Here we go. This is crazy. I gotta do. Hmm. There we go. All right. There we are. There we go. All right. All right. We got open in 10 minutes. That's all we're really waiting on right now, for real. Ooh. Right. So we're testing, it seems, this small gap right here. Bro, I be hating this talking about son. Bro, you don't even know me. Let's I'm gonna do this. I wanna see something real quick. Let's go to regular trading hours. Let's hit reset that. And I want to see what's going on. So we still got all of this too. Okay. All right. That's crazy. You can hear the dog barking in the back. Hold on. And we're back. And we're back. All right. So we're looking to see how price can get further up. I'm waiting to see, to be honest with you. I'm waiting to see. Um, Cause I'm torn between buys and sells. Um, I like. Let me make sure. Okay. So where's this at? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it's possible, but we need to see. To be honest with you, um, yeah, I think I'm gonna get two monitors still, so I can have my higher time frame and you know what I'm saying. I'd like to see all the charts at one time, but it's cool. Ooh, where did that come from? So we're taking out 830 price, possible target 830, like I was saying, 22,296.50. Um, man, I got that written down. I got that written down on the iPad. You know what I'm saying? So we're seeing, we're waiting to see. I like how it's respecting. I think this is a little high to get in for a buy right now. Seeing as how we have this down here. We have this BISI that hasn't been properly mitigated. You know what I'm saying? We'll see how it respects this halfway mark of this, and then we'll see. 9:30 could spike down, wick all these guys at midnight open, and then turn around and go up. So they're leaving liquidity up here, which is surprising. They might come take liquidity from down here, gather orders, and then continue spooling. So we're just waiting to see at this point. We got 9:30 in 3 minutes. So let me tell y'all, bro. 9:30, we used to be afraid of. Now, we don't care for it. You know what I mean? It doesn't really matter. Um, because we have a higher perspective of the market. And I don't mean like I'm interpreting what I want to interpret and I'm reading things into price action. I simply mean as far as where are we in price now? Where has price came from? And where is it possibly going? How do we know it's possibly going there? Okay. So when we do the top down, this is why your higher time frames are pretty important. This is like where you are. If it was a map, this is like where you are in the state, right? The daily, like where you are in the state. The 1 hour would be like where you are in the city, in like the county, for real, or where you are in the city. 15-minute is where you are in the county. This is where you are, like what street are you on, and this is like the actual address. I hope that makes sense. Um, yeah, I like to see them sweep midnight price for real, for real. I want to see them come. I might even take buys down here. Actually, let me set buy limit. Yeah, so I got a buy limit in right there. I'm actually gonna modify this. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it 4 units, and now we're in with 4. Cool. Okay, we're in with 4. Now this could get messy, possibly. Um, but I like that right there. That's a little crazy. We got 9:30. So now that I got that there, we'll put sell limit there. We'll take 2 off right there. Oh man, I'm on the wrong screen. See, I be doing stuff like that. It's all good. It's all good. I be doing stuff like that. Rushed entry. You know what I mean? Just getting the jitters out. You know what I mean? But we'll see. Cause it could get spicy at open. It could get real spicy at open. All right, here we go. Here's open. I don't want to lose more than 200. All right, took a loss, $200 loss. I might still get back in. No big deal. That's why we don't rush in the trades, to be honest with you. So we wait. Here we go. Oh. I want to see how far it's going to go. Yeah. I could be wrong today, and that's fine. That could be completely fine. Um, I was looking for sells, and I changed my mind for buys, which is, it happens, right? It happens. So, hey, I want to see how far it's going to go down. I'm going to buy right there. I like that. Still got my sell limits up here. We're 2 minutes into open. I like the rejection off week open right there. Rejection off the top of this liquidity void off the daily. I got in early. All right, let's see. So I like this wick rejection on the 5, 15, 1 hour. It's rejecting really nice. I like that. Again, we're looking for the monthly high, since it seems that we are just spooling higher and higher. We'll see. So reason why I'm doing a lot of this streaming and recording is so I can look back, of course, and gain insights from myself, which may sound crazy, but I'm looking at the way I'm trading, and I want to better that. Just like how football players look at their tape to get better, that's what I'm looking at as well. So we'll see. I don't want to see it break down below this anymore, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna put my sell stop right there. We'll get out of all positions right there. Hopefully this moves a little more aggressive to the upside so I can cover some of this risk. Mm, 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 mm. So here's where it gets messy. That's right there is where it starts to get psychological, because you set your stop, you got your order, you already lost, and you're like, ooh, should I remove my stop? No, you get stopped out. If I get stopped out, that's the end of the day for real. That'd be probably $300 loss. It'd be okay. We make that on a weekend. But I'm still looking at the 15 minute, and I'm liking the 15-minute price action. That wick rejection is nice. Um, but we got to give it time. There's still 10 minutes on the 15-minute candle, so we will see. My stop, not protected. It may look like it's protected, but it's not. It is legit liquidity, for real, for real. So if we look at the 5, this don't look too good. Where it comes up to 930 price, rejects it, and is now coming down, it's not looking too good. Today might be an L day. You know, it is what it is. This is part of trading. You win some, you lose some. What we do is we live to trade another day, we reassess, and we come back. But I still like how this looks. You know what I mean? I'm not going to give up on the trade just yet. Most of trading is just quieting this voice in your head while you're looking at the charts. And then what doesn't help is being on stream, because then it feels like you're supposed to be doing the right thing at all times, when I'm human. I'm a young human at that, so I don't know everything. But what I do know is I make mistakes. And that's another reason for starting my streaming back up, is so I can learn from my mistakes. Might be a $400 day loss, but we'll see. Look at that wick rejection. Oh my gosh. And that's a false perception that my stop is protected, because we see how it's trying to squeeze people right here. Trying to squeeze everybody that got their stops jammed up under here just like me. It's squeezing them. It's squeezing them. What do I mean by squeezing them? It's bringing price real far down. It may even wick it and continue to the upside. But if I move my stop, it's like, how much further am I going to put my stop? Because if I go over here, if I put my stop way down here, that's almost not, unnecessary. Like, I'm not even really confident in buys if my stop is way down there, for real, for real. So we see what happens. But we're rejecting week open 22 to 38. I like that. That's good indication right there. Move that down just a little bit, which is not the wisest thing to do, but hey, we'll see. Today isn't going to be a monumental day, win or lose. It's not going to be the, oh my gosh, I'm rich now. No, it's not one of them kind of days. And I don't want to ever, I don't want to say ever, I don't want to put so much pressure on one trade, because that makes no sense. Imagine if every transaction you had so much pressure. Like, it was like buying a house when you bought a piece of gum. Like, it's like, bro, it shouldn't be so stressful. Like, you know what I mean? You should, how they say, live within your means. You should trade within your means. If you know you can't lose more than $600 a day, because you don't know where you're going to come up with more than $600 a day, then, you know what I mean, you need to fix that. And then that'll help your psychology. But it seems to have some accumulation right here at week open. So we'll see. Which is not good, because they're accumulating here. They're in a range now. Let me put a little box over this range. 1, 2, and then it comes back down. 3. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm sorry. My apologies. I got a rule that says no cussing on stream. I got no cussing on stream, no negativity on stream. I gotta stay on topic. My topics are trading, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Um, so yeah, that's where I'm at. Okay. Yeah, look at that. So these are sell stops that it's this line right here are sell stops. Let me write that in. Yeah, this. Whoo! Telling you, we approaching 10 o'clock. 10 to 10:30. We'll see. We will see. We will see. I'd like to see us break out of this gap for real. So my framework for today's trade. All right, and this is how we'll see that it was a sloppy trade today. But hey, we'll go through it. Framework. Um, if we're looking for buys, I wanted to see sell stops get run, gather liquidity to shoot up. If we wanted to see sells today, I wanted to see buy stops get ran and shoot down. So what happened? I seen price come down real hard, and right here I got in for a buy at midnight open, which was these sell stops right here. I said, okay, we'll go to the 15. I said, if this gets ran, I want to get in right here for them to keep going up. They brought it a little further down, and they're filling in, it looks like this right here, and they're taking liquidity from Asian low, which is okay. Is that a gap right there? A little gap right there. Right there they filled in, which is cool. Um, so that's why I got in buys, because they took sell stops before they took buy stops. If they had taken buy stops, then I would have gotten the sells. You see what I'm saying? So I'm buying low, hoping to sell high, um, and that's my framework. Um, so we'll see if my framework is wrong. Hey, I'm wrong. This is where I'm at. That's the day, baby. That's the day. That's the day. You know, good day. Learned a lot. And now we about to head off to the office. So, what can you do? I had fun today. Oh, we got a new viewer. Yo, drop in the comment where you're tuning in from. I'd like to interact. Say what's up. If you have any questions, I can answer that too. Maybe, maybe not. But yeah. So I'm going to cancel the sell limit, and we are going to reassess and come back tomorrow. Unless my viewer would like to, chat it up real quick, we could do that. I also have the ability to bring people up on stage. I can bring you on stream right now if you'd like. But yeah, so that was the day. Framework was wrong for right now. It is early in the morning. We still have the rest of the day. We finally broke out of this liquidity, this range, like I said. And that's what stopped me out. So original, right there. I'll just put on the executions. Right. So I bought 4 there. Again, looking to take out buy stops. When it dropped here, I got out. And then I got back in here. Again, targeting buy stops. Or sell stops, my bad. No, buy stops. My apologies. But as we see, price is seeking sell stops. So, hey, what can you do? What can you do? Let me get this news out my ear. So that was the day today. It was a loss. Not a big deal. As far as overall account, it's not a big deal. Let's see. Oh, actually, we won't do that. So we lost, $400 approximately. Sorry. Yeah. So I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow same time, like 9 o'clock random times. Tomorrow's Wednesday. We'll see what the market brings. Let's look at the higher time frame one more time. So yeah, sales definitely came in for sure, and they left this liquidity up here, which is cool. This is what I was looking for on Thursday. Never got. So yeah, like I said, I'd like to see them fill in up in here, right? Up in here. But yeah, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thank you for everybody that's tuned in. Thank you for everybody that will watch this in the future. I'm doing these videos to get value for myself. If these videos help you, that's amazing. It's a win-win. If you guys want to see anything in particular or have me go over anything in particular, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Y'all got my Instagram and my YouTube at the top, right there. So hit me up, DM me, let me know. I'm looking forward to creating a community and being a part of the YouTube community, I guess. Y'all have a good day. I'm out.